Did you know that in the heart of Colorado Springs you can find one of Colorado's state symbols? Join me on a short trip to Glen Eyrie, where the Rampart Ranch herd comes straight down from the mountains onto the lawns. Our story begins in 1946, in a world very different from today. At that time, there were no bighorn sheep in Colorado Springs. To change that, a small group of just 14 sheep was brought from the Tarryall Mountains to start a new life. It was a bold experiment that turned into one of Colorado's greatest environmental conservation success stories. From these few pioneers grew a strong and healthy population that eventually became the official state animal of Colorado. Watch the behavior of rams in rut. Link in the description. And now, here are some interesting facts about bighorn sheep. The horns of male bighorn sheep are huge and can weigh up to 30 pounds, while the horns of females are smaller and curved. Bighorn sheep are true climbing masters. They can walk on almost vertical cliffs without falling. They also have excellent eyesight and can spot predators from a long distance. In the wild, they live on average 10 to 12 years. This video was filmed with the Canon EOS R8 and the 100 to 400 mm lens. It's a great setup for capturing wildlife up close. You can find the link to the gear in the description.